So you're telling me from one A box, I can get an Avon Crave lip gloss, an Avon True Color Love at First Lash mascara in Blackest Black, an Avon Hydrofusion gel cream, and a Live Out Loud travel spray mascara for only $10? Come on. Really? Yes, really. Seriously, you can. And let me tell you how. All you have to do is order $40 either from myself to be delivered to you if you live locally to me or on my online store. Now you order $40 of any other product, then you go and it's usually on the back page, the back page 2 or 3 of most of the Avon catalogs. We have had 1 or 2 that didn't have the A box in it, but very rare. And all the A boxes are different. Every campaign they are different. And guess what? Up over my wall, where my office is at, I have almost every single one of the A boxes since I've started selling Avon. So, yeah, I collect them. They're beautiful. They're all beautiful boxes. The one for this time, for campaign 12, which starts Tuesday the 12th. Am I right? I will check that for you really, really quick because we want to know what that date is, right? It is, yes, on the 12th online it starts. And it's one with the bug guard in it. And I just did a video as well, if you'd like to go and find that, and about all the different bug guards that we have. But this is about the A boxes. This is amazing. It's an amazing deal on this box. I don't have this particular box right here with me, but I do have one that, a couple of them actually, that hasn't been opened yet. And I'm not sure which campaign this one was in or will be in, but this is how they come packaged. Let me show you the box first. It comes like this. All the boxes are different. They have the different boxes. I do have favorites, of course, but I have them all on my wall. But I want to show you how they're packaged. And how silly that I didn't bring one for this time, but I didn't. But they're very nicely packaged. There's always tissue paper on the bottom. Then they have all the products in there nice and neat. Isn't that awesome? These are perfect for graduation gifts, bridal gifts, just for any kind of gift. I mean, most of these actually are in value of 70 something dollars. So anywhere from $50 to $70. We had one time I think that was like at 90. That was its value. But if you spend $10 in Avon products, you can get the A box for every $40 you spend. You get an A box, or you can, if you order it, an A box for $10 each. So, and that's what this little video is about. I just kind of wanted to share that with you of how you can get these awesome, I have it upside down. I'm human. But get you these boxes. I mean, you are missing out on some wonderful deals. Not only can you give these away as one whole product, but think about it. You open it up, you have all these amazing individual products that you can give away as gifts for anything else. Save them up and give them out for stocking stuffers, for door prizes, if you have things like that you do, events in your life. Save them for door prizes. I mean, there's so many things that you can do with these A boxes. But I just wanted to bring that to you and let you know what you're missing. If you're missing out on it, it's a great opportunity for some great products. You have a great day.